let's get started. So the first drink I want to make for you is called Cafe Bombon. What? Cafe what? Cafe Bombon is a coffee that's pretty popular, I believe. I don't know if it originated in Spain. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but it is very popular in Spain and other parts of Europe. And bonbon in Spanish means bonbon. Kind of sounds the same, right? Like candy, like a candy bonbon, like a pastry or something sweet. So this is going to be a sweet treat coffee. And from what I've read, it's something that is mainly, people mainly drink it as a dessert after dinner because it's pretty sweet, but it's so delicious. So what do you need to make a Cafe Bombon? What you need is an espresso glass. It could be any little shot glass, even like a, drink tequila shot glass. You just need to have a shot glass, an espresso little glass, and you need sweetened condensed milk. I like this brand, Nestle La Lechera, and this has a little squeeze bottle because normally in the past, condensed milk came in cans, so it was a little messy. You can always put it in a different container, but that's all you need, and your shot of espresso. So this is how you make it. You are going to put sweetened condensed milk. The recipe calls for half condensed milk and the other half of espresso. To me, this is too sweet, so I don't really go all the way half, maybe like a quarter. And you just squeeze it in there. You can put as little or as much as you want. So there you go. That's about good. Like I said, if you go halfway, it's gonna be really sweet. If you want it that sweet, do it. But for me, it's a little too much because as much as I love sweet things, sweet coffees, I also love the taste of the actual coffee. So condensed milk, you put that in your little shot glass. Oh, my machine wasn't on. Silly me. So once you have your condensed milk in there, you just take your little capsule. Usually this works best with like a dark type of coffee. There's different intensities and blends. This one is a ristretto, which is like a condensed espresso shot. So I'm gonna try it with this one. And open the hatch, drop it in, and there we go. And I like this drink because the sweetened condensed milk is kind of thick, so the coffee does not go through it right away. It just kind of floats on the top. And that's it. That's your Cafe Bombon. Easy. Look at that. It looks beautiful. Look at the layers. So what you do need to do, my spoon. So what you need to do with your Cafe Bombon, once you have brewed your shot over your sweetened condensed milk, you just have to mix it up. You gotta get in there and work that condensed milk into your shot. Ooh, that is sweet and delicious, and this will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth, your coffee craving, and you might not even need a dessert drinking this, or maybe you do. Wow, that's really good. The ristretto is dark and intense, which kind of, now I see why they say to use a darker intensity espresso or coffee, because of the sweetness. It really balances out the super sweetness of the condensed milk with the dark, bold intensity of the coffee. Oh my God, this is so good. There you go, Cafe Bombon. Easy if you ever want to make a little dessert after dinner, but maybe you don't want to eat like a pastry, or you don't want to have a full cup of coffee. Cafe Bombon.